Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Universal Masterbatch LLP, a manufacturer, supplier, and exporter of color concentrates, color pigment, plastic pigments, and many others at wide range. Crude oil prices on Tuesday slipped, while WTI traded at $47.34, down 88 cents per barrel. Brent finished at 50.96, down 66 cents per barrel. Despite a fall in crude values, open spec naphtha prices firmed on Tuesday. Prices were at $464 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a day-on-day gain of $3 per metric ton. On Tuesday, propylene and ethylene prices were assessed steady in Asia. Benzene and SM prices drifted lower in Asia on Tuesday. Benzene prices were at $780 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a sharp fall of $30 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Prices fell sharply, mainly on account of lackluster buying trends in China and bearish downstream SM demand and pricing trends. SM prices were assessed at $12.40 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day drop of $20 per metric ton. Reports of weaker buying interest and a tumble in upstream benzene values together supported the price fall. Today is Wednesday, a day when the Asian markets eagerly await midweek commodity polymer pricing assessments from Polymer Update. In Far East Asia, prices of PP may remain steady, while in Southeast Asia, prices of PP are likely to fall by $20 to $30 per metric ton. Prices of certain grades of HDPE in Far East Asia are likely to rise by $20 to $30 per metric ton, while HDPE prices in Southeast Asia are expected to remain stable. LTPE and LLDPE prices may remain steady in Far East Asia and in Southeast Asia region. Prices of PVC for China and Southeast Asia are likely to remain unchanged. Today, domestic producers are expected to roll over midweek PP, PE and PVC prices. Today in India, Formosa Taiwan has down revised its PVC offers to the $1,010 per metric ton levels from $1,030 per metric ton levels for shipment in April 2017 on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis. LG Chem South Korea has also lowered its PVC offers by $30 per metric ton for LS100E to the $990 per metric ton levels and LS100H to the $1,000 per metric ton levels for shipment in April 2017 on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis. CGPC Taiwan has revised its PVC resin suspension grade offers to the $1,000 per metric ton levels from $1,010 per metric ton levels for shipment in April 2017 on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis. This offer attracts anti-dumping duty of $33.94 per metric ton for buyers in India. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and it has built a strong enough credibility to help several thousand industry leaders make business critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. Thank you.